Morning! I'm fed up of doing the cane work, so I thought I'd go back to the box for a bit, just to give myself a bit of a break. It's all dried up now, nice and clean. I'm going to have to try and find a little key and see if this lock works, but I have found this, which I think would be quite pretty on it. So I'll start by giving this a coat of oil, I think. So let's give it a whirl. Ooh, that's a nice colour. So that's the outside of the box done. Now just for the inside. So that's it, one coat over the whole thing inside and out. So there's no excuse now, I've got to go back to the cane work because I've just got to set this aside now to dry before I can do anything else. So see you later. Well, before I go back to doing the caning on the chair, I thought I'd show you this. I've just had this dropped off by my eldest son. It belongs to one of his friends. It's the dashboard out of a Mini. I've done these in the past, and as you can see, he's tried to shell off this varnish, and unfortunately in the process he's started to take off some of the veneer. So he's asked me if I can do something with it. So I might well have that as a bit of light relief as well while I'm doing this chair. But I just thought I'd show you this. You see, he thought you could just shell it off there, but has found that you can't. So another little project. Well, good afternoon. It's Tuesday, and yesterday didn't quite go to plan because I ended up being seconded down to the shop to help my poor husband Tim, who's got a very bad back at the moment, put together the pieces for all of our DIY kits. So I've been down there this morning as well, so I've only just come back to this, but I have put in one row of the opposite diagonals. I did manage to get that done yesterday, so that's what I'm going to be getting on with today. Is more of the same really, and it's just the same as the last set of diagonals, so tight that I can only put 2, or I've discovered maximum 3 through the weave without causing any problems like breakages of cane or snags. So you'll probably gather it's going to take me quite a long time to do this, but yes, keep at it. Hello again. Well, today is Wednesday, and I've been down at the shop again splitting up cane for kits, but last night I did manage to finish that section there of the opposite diagonals. So you can see I've got an awful long way to go, and I'm a bit fed up, but I'm going to carry on. Hello, it's Thursday, and yes, I'm still at it. So it's just after lunch, and you can see where I've got to. I've got to just there, which means I've got that triangle there to do. And then here, I'd started just there, so I have that triangle. Look at how pretty that is. Look at the colour of him. Let's see if I can zoom in. Isn't he gorgeous? So it's 3:30, and now I've finished this corner here, so I'm just now left with that section there. Well, it is now 5:10, and look, I finished it.